From today, Aizawl will be on India's railway map. A few years ago, I had the opportunity of laying the foundation stone for the Aizawl railway line. And today, we proudly dedicate it to the people of the nation. Overcoming many challenges, including difficult terrain, this Bairabi-Sairang rail line has become a reality. The skills of our engineers and the spirit of our workers made this possible. Friends, our hearts have always been directly connected with each other. Now, for the first time, Sairang in Mizoram will be connected directly with Delhi by the Rajdhani Express. This is not just a railway connection, but it is a lifeline of transformation. It will revolutionize the lives and livelihoods of the people of Mizoram. Farmers and businesses of Mizoram can reach more markets across the nation. People will be able to access more options for education and healthcare. This will also create employment opportunities in tourism, transport and hospitality sectors. Friends, for a long time, some political parties in our country practice vote bank politics. Their focus was always on places which had more votes and seats. The entire Northeast, including states like Mizoram, suffered greatly because of this attitude. But our approach is very different. Those who were earlier neglected are at the forefront now. Those who were once marginalized are the mainstream now. For the past 11 years, we have been working for the development of the Northeast. This region is becoming the growth engine of India. Friends, over the years, many states of the Northeast have been put on the rail map of India. For the first time, rural roads and highways, mobile connectivity and internet connections, electricity, tap water and LPG connections. The government of India has worked hard to strengthen all kinds of connectivity. Mizoram will also benefit from the Udan scheme for air travel. Soon, helicopter service will begin here. This will improve access to remote areas of Mizoram. Friends, Mizoram has a major role in both our Act East policy and the emerging Northeast Economic Corridor. With the Kaladan multimodal transit transport project and Serang Humang Buchehua rail line, Mizoram will also get connected to the Bay of Bengal through Southeast Asia. Due to this, trade and tourism will be boosted across Northeast India and Southeast Asia. Friends, Mizoram is blessed with talented youth. Our work is to empower them. Our government has already started 11 Eklavya residential schools here. Work is going to start 6 more schools. Our Northeast is also becoming a major hub for startups. I am happy that around 4,500 startups and 25 incubators are operating in the region. Young people of Mizoram are actively joining this movement and creating new opportunities for themselves and others. Friends, India is quickly becoming an important hub for global